Hello everyone, good morning. This is Henry Machinery and my name is Isaac. Today I'm going to introduce this model of the block clamping machine, and also it's called as block loading or block lifting. It can be, it's for loading the blocks from the pallets, or you can lift up the blocks out from the pallets and load the blocks onto the truck. Now I want to show you. And this model is a multi-purpose. It can load, it can clamp the hollow blocks, different size of the hollow blocks. At the same time, it can load the solid bricks or the pavers. That's why we equipped with the air compressor. This one is for holding the solid bricks. And you can see here, and between these sides, it can be holding the bricks. One pallet. It's very easy to be operated. And this one is the wheel. Is the wheel transfer. The wheel transfer. And in the front of this machine, it can be driven by the bearing with the motor, with the electric motor inside. It can be driven. And this part is called a crane. This part is called a crane. And normally you can use, for here, there are 4 holes, can be fixed by the screw by here. And can be lifted up. And another parts will be fixed together with these parts. It's very easy to be used. And here is a ruler, it's a middle ruler. It can be, change the direction. If you want to lift up the blocks and good different place for offloading the blocks. Here's the motor. We can customize the different, the production electricity source as you want. Like here is 220 voltage, 50 hertz, 3 phase. And also, if you like, we can equip the motor to be single phase. And you can hear this one, the stainless wire. And this air compressor pump is very good quality. It's very, very good quality. It's easy. It's easy to be used. Like these blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this handle for holding the hollow blocks. This handle. Okay. Like this kind of like the hollow blocks. The hollow blocks can be holding from these parts and the solid bricks. It can be loaded. It can be holding, many in quantity together. If you need to understand how it works, you can leave a message to me. I can send you the different blocks working videos. Here is the fresh blocks it produced just now.